subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Hi, today we'll see how to mirror Android screen into PC. There is two methods. One is wired method, the second one is wireless method. First we'll discuss about the wired method. For that we have to download one software, the zip file. The zip file we will extract here, and how to use that zip file we'll see. The zip file is a screen copy, that is SCRCPY. The link of this I'll put in the description. You can download from that website. After the extracting this, we'll use it later. First we'll extract it. I have created one folder in the C drive. I'll extract to that folder. Okay, now it is extracted. We can see that. Okay, next we have to connect to a smartphone to the computer using USB cable. Now I connected my smartphone, and I'll open that folder which I created in that SCRCPY. I'll double click on that, or you can open through a command prompt. I'll double click. Okay, yes, yeah. So it is directly connected, and you can see the front page of my mobile, a smartphone. It is connected because I'll show the setting. We have to change one setting in our mobile phone. That setting is we have to first enable developer mode. Okay, so after, okay, I'll open it. Yes, yeah. If I switch off this developer option, now it is disconnecting. Yes, it is disconnected. So again I should remove the USB cable and again connect. After that again I'll double click on that. Now again it is connected. So only after I have clicked turned on the USB debugging and developer mode, then only it will connect, and there is no lag in the display. But disadvantage is it is only displaying the window. We cannot listen, we cannot hear the voice. The second option is it is inbuilt in your Windows, that is connect. So casting from your if it is a Redmi mobile, we have a cast option. So if you turn on that, it will directly search for desktop, and the setting in the desktop is like we should be projecting to this PC. That should be enabled, and the PC should be it is a secured connection, so require pin for pairing. How you are setting that, it is left to you. So this is the two method of wired and wireless method. But in this wireless method, we need a common Wi-Fi network, and the advantage here is it is you can parallelly listen to the audio also, but there is a lag in the display. So you can use wired method for video, and audio you can use this casting. So together you can use to record any screen.
Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.